really my biggest fan, I think I've got a 16. Oh, hey. You know, that's just a little movie magic intro thing where I act like I'm actually talking to something or doing something, and you guys, oh, hey, didn't know you guys were there. I knew you were there, really. Yeah, this is some stuff that Anthony gave us. It's an electric fan. I assume it works, and I'm sure he'll watch the video and he'll tell me if it works or not. But what is this? Oh, Ford Racing. Would use that for sure. We always, I don't say we always need one of those, but it's V-breather. I've actually got a small collection of those, I think, now. We got us a, what is this? Oh, yeah. I broke Bruce's flaring tool. So Anthony, oh, this is like name brand deal here. Huh. I think that'll work. I mean, it'll make Bruce happier. All thread, because I'm always complaining I don't have no all thread. Look at that. Anthony got me some all thread. And a alternator bracket. Wow, that's pretty nice. What happens is it's a couple of them. You see, what happens is we'll use these pieces for some of the other cars, and we do stuff to them. Oh, there's something else in here. A bolt. And what is this? Oh, these are some stud girdles. Very cool. We have a set too. Is that? Yes, we have a set for the Pro Comps. What is this? Some of this stuff I don't even know what it is. Oh, this is a carb spacer. It's got good gaskets. Oh, it's a 4-hole. Oh, it's got studs. Ooh, that's good stuff. Never know when we will use any of this stuff. We use a lot. Look, another little. Oh, these are. He also. These are pretty cool. These grommets for a valve cover grommet, because of our Morosos, they don't have a baffle in them, and these actually will work like a baffle. They've got a small slot in them, so those are pretty cool. So we could use our chrome Morosos if we choose to put them on something, which we probably will. I just have to figure out what. That's very cool. Thank you, Anthony. I've thanked him. And we got some Autolite racing plugs. These have very, very low miles on them. I'm not even going to open them up and look at them. I trust his word on it. Another breather cap. What is it with these things, dude? I swear. You see, this is what happens. You should buy another car. That's what I do. You buy another car. Oh, look at that. And look at this. Look at this monstrosity. Good Lord have mercy. Dragonfire. Holy crap. Man, you might electrocute. Look at the size of this thing. I mean, whew, you might electrocute somebody with this. I ought to put this on the LOVEBOAT just because I'm that kind of guy. I got that pretty awesome MSD on there, but that's kind of squirrely. Anthony, thank you for that stuff. That's very cool. I like getting, it's like Christmas. It's like yard sale shopping. What are we doing? We're gonna check our alternator a little bit, and I brought the GoPro so I can put it in and run it around a little bit more. I mean, now that it's running, all I want to do is drive it around, drive it out here, just hot rod it, act like a psychopath. I don't want to get too crazy with it because the distributor, I'm sure, it's putting a ton of timing in it. So anyway, let me fire it up and warm it up, and then we'll go from there in the video. So just let you guys know we're doing something. We have got our line lock hooked up. Now whether it works or not is a different story. See, I still need to move the seat back a little bit. I feel like a NASCAR driver. dude. Did I blow you over with the Lincoln? Okay, well, there we go. We've got the line lock hooked up. Sorry for the wind noise if there is any. I tried to turn the camera where the wind wouldn't hit it. And I'm sorry you guys fell over. I don't know when that happened. I didn't notice. I was too involved in the driving. I thought maybe our track, but we were over here, so I don't even know what the video looks like. Hey, we got the line lock hooked up. Still got to get the alternator thing figured out. And a bunch of other stuff we got to do. Bleed the brakes, but we're making little bits of progress here and there every day, trying to get a little bit done. We need to move the seat. I know. So I know this is probably pretty short, but hey, it's got action in it. More action we've had from Lincoln. I just want to drive it and hoon around in it. That's all I want to do. I don't want to work on it no more. I just want to get after it. So thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting the channel in all the ways that you guys do. Thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos and Lincoln Town Car videos. We'll see you guys in the next vid. You're doing a good job.